Welcome! Ever wondered why Japanese knives carry such a hefty price tag? And what makes them so essential in the culinary world? Japanese blades are more than just cutting tools. They are centuries of tradition forged into steel. But let's dive into the core reasons behind their expense and undeniable importance. If you ask any professional chef, they'll tell you Japanese knives are the gold standard. But why do they hold this prestigious title? It all comes down to a few critical factors. We will explore the craftsmanship, superior materials, and unmatched geometry that drive both the high cost and the vital importance of these culinary instruments. The first major reason for the expense is the intense, dedicated art of craftsmanship. These knives are often handmade, not mass-produced. Traditional forging techniques like San Mai and Warikomi involve layering softer steel around a harder core. This intricate process requires tremendous skill and time. The process is led by a Shokunin, a master blacksmith whose expertise has often been passed down through generations. You are paying for a master's lifetime of dedication. From hardening and tempering the steel to meticulous grinding and sharpening, it's a multi-step, time-intensive process that can take weeks per blade. Next up, the materials. Japanese knives utilize specialty steels that drastically outperform common Western alloys. Many premium Japanese knives use high-carbon steel, often referred to as Aogami or Shirogami. These steels contain fewer impurities, allowing for incredible sharpness. These high-carbon steels allow the blades to be forged to a much higher Rockwell hardness, often exceeding 60 HRC compared to around 55 HRC for most Western knives. The result of this hardness? Outstanding edge retention. A Japanese knife will stay razor-sharp significantly longer, justifying its higher initial cost. The third crucial element is the engineering behind the blade shape itself, unmatched geometry and performance. Japanese blades are forged much thinner than their Western counterparts, and their specialized grinds minimize friction, making precise cutting almost effortless. You'll often encounter single-bevel knives, sharpened only on one side for maximum sharpness and precision, ideal for tasks like preparing sashimi. From the long Yanagiba for slicing fish to the rectangular Nakiri for vegetables, each knife type is perfectly optimized for a specific culinary task, offering superior performance. Finally, the cost reflects a deep cultural heritage and profound respect for the tools themselves. The roots of Japanese knife making are directly connected to the legendary tradition of forging samurai swords, imbuing each knife with a legacy of superior metallurgy. In Japan, a high-quality knife is viewed as a tool meant to last a lifetime, an investment in quality that is cared for and sometimes passed down through the family. So let's wrap up what makes these beautiful knives so valuable. The expense is fully justified by the blend of ancient forging traditions, the use of rare, superior steel, and the resulting unparalleled cutting performance and precision. The Japanese knife is not just an expense, it's an investment in quality, efficiency, and the elevated results of your culinary journey. Thank you for watching.